guys, my name is Sarthak and I'm your typical Indian guy here who just loves his hair but thoda zyada. So this is my first video. Namaste. So this is my first video guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do slick back hairstyle with long hair undercut. So starting from the measurements, my front hair is about 11 inches long as you can see, and it goes decreasing as we go back. Here it is. So my back hair is not that long, it may be 2 to 3 inches long, but the front hair reaches to the back side of my head. So let's get started with the hairstyle, shall we? So guys, I have dampened my hair a little by using little water, so it will be easier for me to hair dry it. But before hair drying, I need you to remember guys that always use a product to put it in your hair so it will give a posture. So right now I'm gonna use this Gatsby's hard head style. Wait, let me zoom it on for you. This is it guys. This is the product I'm gonna use to give posture to my hair before blow drying it. So I'll just take a scoop of this product. This much. Remember to warm up the product guys, because wax doesn't get warmed up easily and you have to rub your hands against it and put it right in your hair from back to each and every part, to the front also. So now if I blow dry this, it is gonna become much easier to style it. Now we are going to blow dry it. So I got my Egaro hair dryer. I got it from Amazon for 1300 rupees, but you can also get a cheaper one. I took this one because it has ceramic plating in it and it doesn't harm your hair that much. Also guys, if you can afford, try to get a heat protection spray. It will keep your hair healthy. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair right now. So I'm gonna blow dry my hair with this and I'll show you how to do it, the slick back hair. So let's go. I'm gonna use this white tooth comb and I'm gonna pull my hair like this and put it in back and blow dry the roots first and then the top of it. So let me just comb my hair first. Also guys, wax gives much tug and pull to your hair. So if you have very thin hair, I don't recommend wax to you. You can use any cream which will be suitable for your hair. My hair is very thick and it is healthy as you can see. So I can handle that tug and pull of the wax. So let's hair dry it now. I'll show you how to hair dry. See, I'm putting it on the roots first. On the roots, then on the top. On the roots, then on the top. So to keep my hair in place for at least 5-6 hours, I gotta apply the wax again on my hair. I'll make sure that it is warm and ready to be applied. So here it is guys. And I'm gonna just roll my hands over my hair. It is quite in shape, but I still gotta make sure that it remains in shape. The back part here, the back part should always stick up, because when you travel it's gonna wiggle here and there, otherwise if you don't make it stick. So I've applied it. Once I'll comb my hair again. you want a classic look, you can keep the combing over and that's it, you are done. But if you don't want to look it like you have done pretty much, you are struggling on your hair, or you have nothing work done on it, so you can just roll your fingers like this. And that's it guys, this is the final look. Here you can see my hair is pretty much slicked back and I'm ready to go out. Here is the final look for you. My hair is gonna stay like this for 5 to 6 hours and then again I'll have to comb it and it will be in the shape again. So I made this video just for Indian boys because in India I know that there are not very much varieties for wax. So we have Gatsby, Baxter, Dax, these are all the waxes we have, and the Gatsby especially in such a category that it comes under 200 rupees, so it is very much affordable for a boy like me. So for those who cannot afford a hairdryer, there is a simple tip. You can get a cap like this snapback. It will be for around 150 or 200 rupees. Anywhere you can get in Mumbai, I don't know about other cities. So you can get a cap like this, and when you get a bath and your hair is wet, you can dry it with a towel, and for 5 to 10 minutes just get your hair back like this and put your cap around it for 5 to 10 minutes, and that's it. Your hair will be in a slick back position, and as soon as you apply product in it, boom, you are ready to go. So the Gatsby wax, you can get it around 200 rupees or less in Mumbai. I don't know about others, but I cannot afford many pretty things like Blue Mask wax or Slicka or Baxter or any other. There are many others like, I don't know, many other glaze, pomades, so they are pretty much high rated on Amazon and Flipkart. I cannot afford that. But for those like me, I really recommend Gatsby's wax. The matte one is this one, it is grey in color. This one is very useful if you don't want a shining finish. But if you want a shining finish and you don't want your hair to be covered in wax, this Gatsby's styling hair cream also works pretty good. It is just like a cream and you can put it in your hair. It will not fix your hair, but it will be reworkable anytime you put your hand in it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful in your day-to-day life, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is my first video guys. I promise I'll get better and better as I get used to it. So if you found this useful, please give a thumbs up and like, share and comment. Thank you. Peace out.
Thank you so much guys for watching my first video. If you have any doubts or queries, please mention it in the comment section below and I'll definitely try to help you out. Also, there is my email ID mentioned in the description. You can mail me and I'll try to help you out there also. Thank you.